We all know about the benefits of bananas. They're tasty, nutritious, and a great snack. But have you ever heard about the health benefits of banana flowers? Banana flower, also known as banana blossom or banana heart, is the tear-shaped, purple-colored flower that usually grows at the end of banana trees or clusters. In many South Asian and Southeast Asian countries, banana flowers are used as a vegetable and can be made into tasty curries or fried foods. But did you know that they're also packed with health benefits? Let's take a closer look at the top 10 health benefits of banana flowers. 1. Fights off infection. Banana flowers contain ethanol flowers that help prevent the growth of pathogenic bacteria and can even help cure wounds. The extracts of banana flower can also prevent the growth of malaria parasites. 2. Fights free radicals. Banana flowers are rich in antioxidants, which fight free radicals and prevent them from causing damage to healthy cells. This can help prevent problems like cancer, heart disease, and skin aging. 3. Improves gastrointestinal health. Banana flowers are loaded with soluble and insoluble fiber, which promote healthy digestion and absorption of food. 4. Promotes a healthy uterus. Adding banana flowers with cumin seeds, turmeric powder, and peppercorns can help maintain a healthy uterus. Boiling this mixture can help prevent uterus problems. 5. Aids in weight loss. Including banana flour in your diet can help with weight loss, as it is rich in fiber and nutrients. Consuming soup made from banana flour at least 4 to 5 times a week can help with weight loss. 6. Helps manage diabetes. Banana flowers are good for diabetics due to their high fiber content. Eating boiled banana flowers can help lower blood sugar levels. 7. Manages anemia. Banana flowers help increase the level of hemoglobin in your blood, aiding in carrying nutrients to all parts of the body efficiently. They are an excellent natural way to manage anemia. 8. Prevents cancer and heart disease. Banana flowers are a rich source of antioxidants like acids, tannins, flavonoids, and other compounds that can help fight off free radicals and prevent oxidative damage, which can lead to cancer and heart disease. 9. Reduces anxiety. Banana flowers contain magnesium, which can help reduce anxiety and boost your mood. They are known to be natural antidepressants without any side effects. 10. Rich in vitamins and minerals. Banana flowers are packed with vitamins such as A, C, and E, as well as fiber and potassium, making them an excellent source of healthy nutrients. So, next time you are looking for a healthy and delicious vegetable to add to your meals, consider giving banana flower a try and enjoy all the amazing benefits it has to offer. Thanks for watching.